Hello everyone, welcome to Stratigem. Today's topic is growth strategy for startups, a step-by-step guide. So in the next 10 minutes, we learn a practical framework to go from zero to scalable and repeatable growth. In this video, we'll cover 10 steps, defining your North Star, dialing in your ICP and positioning, building a growth model, selecting channels, pricing, packaging, activation, retention, experimentation, and operating cadence. Plus, I'll also give you a 90-day roadmap to execute immediately. This video is perfect for founders and early operators. So now let's start the video. So most of these startups don't fail because they can't build. They fail because they can't grow repeatably. So in the next 10 minutes, we'll discuss a field tested step-by-step playbook, which will help you to go from zero to scalable growth. In the next 10 steps, in the next 10 minutes, we'll cover 10 different steps, which are goals, ICP, positioning, growth model, channels, pricing, activation, retention, experimentation, and operating rhythm, plus a 90-day roadmap. So these are the 10 steps which you will learn in the next 10 minutes. Now going to step one, which is define growth and goal and baseline. So choose a North Star metric NSM tied to a value. Value can be active teams, weekly active users, GMV, etc. You have to record today's baseline and constraints. Runway, budget, team size, these all will be the constraints. And you have to set a 90-day target and a 12-month ambition. So this will be defining the growth goal and baseline. So firstly, we have to define what we are right now and how, and finally where we have to reach in the 90-day period. The second is ICP and problem solution fit. So write a crisp ICP one-liner, industry, size, role, pain, and environment. Validate must-have value, retention trends, usage cadence, win or loss notes, key customer codes. Also add the exclusions to stay focused. Step 3 will be positioning and value proposition. So define your category, target, unique insight, and proof. So case studies and metrics will help there. One sentence promise everywhere. So site, deck, or product. It should be clear, specific, and credible. Step 4 will be growth model and metrics. So you have to map your growth loops, paid content or search engine optimization, SEO, product led or sales led. You have to pick the NSM plus three inputs should be there: acquisition, activation, and retention. Also, you have to build a simple weekly dashboard, which you have to review every week. The next step is channel strategy. So you have to shortlist 2 or 3 channels with a channel product fit. You have to design one high intent path per channel, maybe add SEO, then landing to ultimately demo and trial. And lastly, instrument touch to revenue tracking early. The next step which we are going to discuss is the offer, pricing, and packaging. So hypothesize tiers and value metrics. Test free, premium, free trial or pilot. Ensure why now ROI narrative. Keep pricing simple, remove the risks. The next step is activation and onboarding. So you have to define the golden path to first value, TTFV. You have to use the templates, sample data, guided checklist, concierge onboarding for the key accounts, nudge with emails, in-app tips. So you have to experiment with nudges, emails, in-app tips, concierge onboarding. You have to remove the friction, guide with checklist, templates, and the sample data. The eighth step is retention and expansion. So you have to identify the core habit and cadence, which is daily, weekly, or monthly. Design expansion levers, usage-based seeds, features, add-ons, etc. And win back and churn prevention playbooks. Ninth step is experimentation engine. So weekly growth meeting should be there, score ideas, 70-20-10 portfolio. So proven bets, adjacent bets and big swings, clear stop scale rules and documented learnings. The last step is operating rhythm and resourcing. RACI across marketing, product, sales and success. You have to hire for gaps and budget by unit economics. Now the 90-day roadmap, for example, will be look like month one will be diagnose and define ICP, NSM and baseline. Month two will be test top three channels plus activation improvements. And month three will be scale to winner, instrument retention and the expansion. Now a closing thought on this video. So you have to focus, beats breadth, learn fast, double down the faster. Start today, write ICP, choose NSM, list top 5 experiments. Build a growth engine, not a one-off campaign. So focus on breadth, as I said, learn fast, double down the faster. You have to build a growth engine, not a one-off campaign. So this is a 10, these are the 10 steps. Plus we have discussed the 90 day roadmap. So this is a step-by-step guide for startups for the growth strategy. So hope you like our video. Please like and subscribe our channel. And also please share your feedbacks in the comment box. Thank you.